Hello, my name is Tavishi Sinha and I'm a 7th grader at Quail Valley Middle School. My project is called Learning and Donating. Mixtape Portion 1. My Myers-Briggs test results showed that my top 2 personality types were INFJ and INFP. I also learned more about myself through the math, science, Spanish, and ELA portions of the mixtape. Using these learnings, I found some of my strengths and interests. I have a strength and interest in things relating to technology. I have an interest in helping those around me, and I also found that I am an incredibly curious person. Using these, I created my big idea. It's a 2-part idea. Part 1. Positive News. A potential news app that gives up-to-date and positive news and helps not just by providing a different kind of news, but also by Part 2. Gifting kindness, or in other words, allowing for donations to local charities and nonprofit organizations. Action items and progress. I decided to make a few changes to my big idea. The first change I made was instead of the articles on my website being all kinds of news, I changed it to focus on school subjects such as math or science or social studies. So the kinds of articles that you'll find on my website are new discoveries in science or new discoveries in mathematics. I found that this is probably going to be more helpful for students. I also decided that for now, it will be a website and not an app. Research. I did some research by reading some articles on the New York Times website so that I could learn more about how these kinds of articles are formatted. I also read an article on the Scholastic website about how to write a newspaper article. I wanted my articles to be short, 2 to 3 paragraphs long, and to include a visual or an image since I know that visuals are more engaging for the reader. Using my research, I came up with this format. And here is an article on my website that follows this format. Each of the articles also have a designated space for sources. Emails. I wrote emails to 3 nonprofit organizations, the Houston Food Bank, Texana Center, and to United Way of Greater Houston. I've set up donations with the United Way of Greater Houston. All you need to do is add the code Learning and Donating in the company name portion of their donation form so that they know that you've donated through the website. Design. I also think that design is an important element of a website like this because it can engage the reader even more. Here you see me drawing the cover image of the website. Here's the website, and this is a quick demonstration of how you can use it. First, you can click on a subject, in this case social studies, and then there'll be several articles for that subject. Here's an article about a newly found cat geoglyph in the Nazca lines. From here, you can click on Donate, and that will take you to the donations page. Then you can click on a nonprofit organization to donate to. You can donate through the website. That's it for my presentation. Thank you for listening.